Okay, so I have a rubber band. I'm going to put the rubber band onto the head of the head of the Phillips, and we're going to go slow and steady outward. Okay, you have to put nice pressure on this, and we're going to back it out. So basically what the rubber band does is fill the void between the Phillips head and the there you go. Security nut that's made so you can't get anything on it. No matter what you do, you can't grip it. So we have to create something to grip it. So we're going to cut the edge there a little bit to flatten it out and see how we do. Here we go. So I did one side over here. I'm going to do the other side now. As you can see there, it's cut so we can get a wrench on it. That only took me about a minute, minute and a half. I'm going to stick a vice grips on it, and we're going to turn it. And there it is. Bam! Spinning. When you go to drill it out, there you go. Another way is to take a piece of tape, push it on the surface, and then start your drilling. Go to the center and start your drilling. Apply your pressure. Just want to check if it's going to spin on me here. Yep, there you go, spinning. I'm going to take a piece of duct tape. Will even be better than blue tape if it's stubborn and it wants to spin out on you. You can't get enough pressure on it. Take a piece of duct tape, put that baby on there. Find the center. Out it goes. Take your duct tape off, and the rivet is gone. So I have to drill the center. I'm going to take my punch. I'm going to punch a hole, a starting point in the center. I'm going to do a drill hole in there. So a bolt extractor bit that drills out for a bolt extractor runs to the left, not to the right. So it would not be the same as you would normally drill with a regular drill bit. So you're drilling it out to the left. I'm going to take the drill bit out, and now I'm going to get an extractor There you go. That's what it looks like. And obviously the threads go to the left, not the right. So I'm gonna there we go. That took a lot of pressure to apply to the screw for that to extract out a sheet metal screw out of wood. There you go. Subscribe, like, comment. Visit us at albanycountyfasteners.com for 50,000 SKUs right off the rack, ready to ship. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.